Hey Steve, this is James with Genuine Leads. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started here. So the idea of this video is to give you tips and tricks how to generate more traffic to your site. Okay. Um, so I'm gonna start off with command content. So anywhere on your homepage where you have words, Google considers that command content. They want to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words of command content, and you are pretty close. You're at 1,480. Okay, and throughout that command content, they want to see organic keywords. So, organic keywords is anything that a potential customer would put into Google search in order to find your services. So, great example, HVAC, Madison, Wisconsin. I chose Madison just because I know it's somewhat close to the county that you serve. So I'm going to discuss a little bit what's going on here. So up here is Google Guarantee. Those are actually Google paid ads. If you're interested in something like that, I can definitely explain a little bit more on that for you. So right here, this is your Google Maps section. So this is 30% of traffic that goes to your site per month. Okay. Typically you want to be top 3, right? And there's 3 ways to do that. 1 is reviews, 2 is pictures, and 3 is citations. Citations is when your business name, phone number, and address is listed into another website. Google will then issue 1 citation for that. Citations also help you rank organically. This is the organic section. Typically, you want to be top 3 here as well, or at least bare minimum first page. Because most of the time, a potential customer is not going to click on the 2nd and 3rd page. Okay. So from here, I put your website into a software that I use. We'll kind of go over that a little bit. So this is your trust factor with Google. Right now you're a 19 out of 100. This is your power rating. This is 16 out of 100. So this tells Google how powerful your website is on the Google search. You have 51 backlinks. Backlink is pretty much a shout out from another website. And this gives you power and exposure, okay? The only backlinks that you really want are real powerful ones. So just remember quality over quantity. That's where a lot of people get confused, right? Furthermore, you're not going to want a fast food backlink, right, when you're furnace repair. So, and right here, this is exactly what I was talking about before. Organic keywords, you have 29. And you have a total of 11 people on your site per month. Okay? So, I think with the boost up the organic keywords and with the right SEO package, right? You could definitely get these up to par. So I'm going to kind of give you some examples on the organic keywords real quick. So in Madison, I used, let's see, AC, boiler, furnace, air conditioning, heating and cooling, and HVAC in Madison. Okay, with those 6, it generated over 1,000 keywords, and there's over 4,100 people searching for these keywords a month. Okay, so Madison HVAC, there's 150 people per month searching for this. Okay, there's another 150 searching for this guy right here. Heating and cooling, Madison, Wisconsin, there's 150. So as you can tell, if you get top 3 on each of these, the traffic would be pretty insane on your site, right? So if you figure, even if you get 1% of these customers, I'm sure that could help your business tremendously, right? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. You can use this information as you please. You can do this yourself, or you can reach out to me. I'm going to go ahead and leave my phone number in the description below. If you could, please give me feedback. Let me know if this video is worth your time. That would be greatly appreciated. But from here, I'm going to take off. You have a wonderful rest of your day, and thank you for taking the time for watching.